what we need.
We need milk, curd,
We need jaggery powder. We need condensed milk. We are using Amul condensed milk.
So Aarya, let's make plain curd first.
Okay, Dada. I'll put the milk in the microwave for 30 seconds.
In the meantime, I will just smoothen out the curd. Now let's pour the warm milk into the jar.
So now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of curd to this.
So Aarya, now we will let it set overnight and by tomorrow morning it will be ready and firm and ready to eat.
Keep it in any warm place so it can set.
And after it is set, then you keep it in the fridge, not when it is setting.
Dada, now can we make Mishti Dahi?
Yes Aarya, we'll make now.
So we already have warm milk. Now I'm going to add condensed milk and jaggery and mix it.
Now I'm putting the jaggery.
Already looks yummy. Now I'm going to stir it till it mixes nicely. See how yummy it has become? I can't wait to eat it. Now that it has mixed nicely, I'm going to add 1 spoon curd to it. Now I'm going to stir it, and then Dada, could you pour this for me in this?
Yes, I will pour it. Now, we're going to keep this also in a warm place to set like a plain curd.
We had made this yesterday. See how firm and set it has become today.
See, it's so firm.
Should we eat it?
Yeah, let's eat it. Wow, it's so yummy.
Yeah, do you want one?
If you like watching our recipes, please like the video and subscribe.
And don't forget to share the video with your friends.